What happens when you give Gemini a research task that would normally take you half a day? That's what this section is about. And then we take those findings somewhere you might not expect. We are going to do this using a Gemini feature called Deep Research. And we will work through 3 very different real-life situations with it. One that most of us deal with every single week, one about making a purchasing decision without falling down the rabbit hole of review sites and Reddit threads, and one about getting up to speed on a completely new subject. In each case, I want you to see not just what Gemini produces, but how to prompt it so the output is actually useful to you. And then we are going to take it one step further, using Canvas to turn one of those research outputs into a working interactive app built from a conversation, no code required. I hope you're ready. So get yourself a cup of tea or coffee and let's get into it.